Hey guys, welcome to Matt Tech. Today we'll be learning how to change name in WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to change name in WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp on your phone, and after opening your WhatsApp on this interface, guys, at the top right corner of the screen you can see a three-dotted icon available for us. Tap on that three-dotted icon and tap on the settings option available for us just below the start messages. Tap on settings and you'll be on your settings of your profile section over here, and at the top of the screen you can see your name and your phone number over there. Tap on your name and this kind of interface will appear. Now in order to change your name, you can see there is a pen icon at the right side of your name. Tap on that pen icon and this kind of interface will appear where you will be able to change your name whichever you like. You can see, guys, and after that, after changing your name successfully, you can see the save button available over here. Tap on the save button and that your name will be changed on your WhatsApp profile. And with that being said, guys, this is how to change name in WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.